The following contest is a boiler room match. Introducing first. From parts unknown, weighing in at 177 pounds, butt munch.
This is my open challenge, so I am challenging anybody, so guess what? Let's go.
It's you.
Oh.
It's you. It's you. It's
Oh. And making their long-awaited return, the ones, the onlys. Wait, what? What is this?
I have a friend.
Oh. Oh. What? I don't. I'm confused. Well, this is the return of the Bobby Mucks. Alright, I'm done following him. Oh, are you kidding me? Oh my! This is a handicap match. This is it.
Hey, you got this. It's the reason why they call you butt munch, because you eat the booty so much.
What did he? Oh, don't. Oh. I mean, he tried. He tried. Oh. Are you? Butt Munch is not intimidated. He is not intimidated. He. What? He just became the next victim of the floor. Oh, and here comes Drake Mux. He's trying to put on the attack to Butt Munch. Oh, it didn't work. It did not work. Oh.
You touched my friend.
Oh. Bobby's trying to be on the offensive here. And then the partner, I don't know who this is.
It's CSI.
Oh, wait, what? What? Oh my god, I missed that. He just threw that water bottle right off Butt Munch's head. Now they found a Minecraft sword. Oh my god. You know, I won't be surprised if one of them brings over a kitchen sink. He thinks that's suffocating him, but it's not working. I don't know what. This is a CSI return as well. Oh. 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 That's not really doing anything.
I got a really good one.
Oh. Oh my god. This is very.
What are you doing?
What?
This is a boiler room. Okay.
There are no pinfalls in a boiler room match. Drake Mux being Drake Mux. CSI, I don't know what happened to CSI, but he's sitting on Munch right now. And then Bobby's being Bobby. Wait, that basketball. He plays that basketball. Oh,
From the depths of hell, I smite thee.
oh. He's.
I did it.
Oh. 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 Oh my God. Oh. What has this turned into? Oh. 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 Oh my. Oh my God. Holy crap. Oh, that walk over by Munch. Oh.
No.
Oh, what did...
I'm gonna kill people.
Munch has that barbell in his hand. Oh. He tried. Oh. How's it going? Oh. Oh my God. This is the handicap match gone wrong. Handicap boiler room gone wrong. Oh my God. Oh my. This. Oh. He tried a German.
Beat him up.
CSI's trying a German.
Beat him up.
Or not, or die.
I got him, ready?
Oh. Oh. Oh.
Beat him up.
Oh.
You beat him up.
I mean, they're just slapping his back. I don't see the effectiveness of this. Oh my God, that's straight. That's CSI. What? This is probably the most confusing.
Oh my gosh, I have an idea.
This is very confusing right now.
Since we're the sword, why don't we give it a little... Oh!
What?
I like that idea. Oh. Agreed.
Oh. Oh my God! I mean, I guess they're right. This is This is the This is the reunion. This is the sword reunion. I'm just gonna. I don't know. Oh my! What did they?
Help! Do something! Do something! Josh! Let's get out of here!
I mean, yeah. All three of them.
Go first, go!
All three of them have to exit the boiler room. I guess CSI is gonna leave now.
Okay. Let's go.
Oh. Alright, they're going. Munch is still down after that triple power bomb. Bobby.
I'm going this way.
I was gonna say Bobby.
The wrong way.
Oh my God, Drake Munch just.
I think the way.
Oh my. Oh. There's 1, 2. Oh. Oh my God. What? Wait.
It's you. It's you. It's you. It's you. It's you.
There they are. They're coming back for more?
I don't know how we could say this to you properly, but the Bobby Max works alone. So, I'm afraid I've got somebody. But I helped. No. Kill him! I wish you would die!
Oh my God.
No, yes.
Oh.
No, yes. No.
Oh. I mean, it was fun while it lasted, I guess, for... Oh, Drake Monks has that chair. I don't trust Drake Monks with that chair. I don't trust any of these three with that chair. Oh.
We're out of here. easy.
Yeah,
Up here.
you come back here.
Right here.
Oh,